Good morning. It is Thursday. Early in the morning. Can you tell by the light? um, Today I'm headed out to Wally World with my husband on the bus. I always say I'm not going to get very much, but my company comes tomorrow, which is my son, and I'm so excited to have him visit and spend some time with his old mom. My birthday's tomorrow. I'm going to be old woman tomorrow. But anyhow, going to go and get a few things from Walmart. And I thought that in this video for today, I would just simply share with you guys what I purchased from Walmart. And also to my meal plan for while he's here. Now, tomorrow's Friday, which is the 11th. So he'll be here Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then Monday morning. And then he'll be headed back home. So just a quick trip. But I thought that I would share the, my meal plan with you guys today. My hair looks terrible. Don't worry. I'm going to do my hair before he gets here. I'm doing all the last minute odd and ends right now with him coming. So today's going to be a whole lot of clothes washing and mostly laundry, really. Mostly laundry. We are supposed to have a snowstorm tomorrow. No, Saturday. They are saying we could get as much as a foot of snow. I'm not happy, people. I really was looking forward to going out with Dilion and going places. So hopefully, if we watch the weather, that we still will be able to get out a little bit on Saturday. And maybe it'll hold off a little bit while we go out. So just say a prayer because I haven't seen my youngest son in a while. And so I'm looking forward to that. And if I look terrible, I apologize. I did put a little makeup on this morning. But I got up. We woke up at 5 a.m. this morning. And because the bus usually comes to pick us up between 20 after 7 and 7:30. So it is a early morning for us, which is nice because we beat the crowds. And I also go up there and I pay any bills that I need to pay. Well, let me narrow this down. You can pay your water bill and your electric bill up there, and that is it. So what I do is I always, if I get my electric bill in before my trip to Walmart, I will go pay it. But if I go up there early, I don't have to wait in a giant customer service line to take care of it. So it's just, I'm there anyways, and it's just so much easier just to pop in there and pay it, and they give you a receipt, and then I come home and I put it in my files, and I know that that's taken care of for the month, and honestly, it's just the easiest way to do it, just the easiest way. So it is supposed to be, I think, in the 50s today, but it's really chilly this morning. I'm just wearing an old t-shirt and a very old sweater. I mean, this thing, let me show you guys. Can you see this on my sweater? That's because I clean in this sweater. I do everything in this sweater. And this is my go-to sweater. This is, if I have this sweater on, you know I'm cold, but I'm working. It's my uniform. It's my uniform. It's one of those sweaters, if I could narrow it down, it's not too thin. It's not too heavy. And I'm sure that you have seen this multiple times in my videos. Every time it is wash day, I throw it in because I know I'm going to wear it again. And I thought sweaters was going to be the thing of the past. And then they're saying snow. And my mom was telling me yesterday, she said, now, you know what? You get one more snow all the time, every year, right before spring. And it's going to be tomorrow. I mean, Saturday. So, yep, this girl gets old and where we live will freeze over. Go figure. So, we're going to head out to Wally World. And when I get back, I'm going to share with you what I bought and my meal plan. I'm going to edit this video and upload it for today. It's going to be out a little late. I apologize for that. And tomorrow, maybe a cleaning video. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Friday. Cleaning video. And Saturday may actually be a cooking video for you guys. That's my plan. You know what they say, you shoot for the moon and you get over the fence. So I will see you guys in a bit when I get back. Okay, I'm finally home. It's about 11 o'clock. So not too bad, but they were running late. They picked us up late. They brought us home late. So yeah, they're training some new drivers, and sometimes you run into that when you rely on public transportation. Excuse me. So this is all that I bought today. I told y'all I did not need very much stuff, but I am going to go through kind of what I intend to make and what I bought. So I got some hoagie rolls because I'm going to be making some meatball subs for tomorrow. So I'm going to be making up my meatballs and putting them in the crock pot, because when somebody's traveling to your house, there's no guarantee what time they will arrive. So I always have something that is in the crock pot that I can turn on warm, that's easy and ready when they get here. I got some blueberries because I think I'm going to make some blueberry waffles or pancakes, and nothing's better than fresh blueberries. I did get another Febreze plug-in for my bathroom, as well as these. These here are amazing. My office smells fantastic, and it is because of these little air fresheners, and this is my favorite one. So, then Bella is going to be coming to see me soon, so I got her an Easter present. So Bella, this is for you. My mom watches, so the dog will probably hear it. And all of y'all's dogs probably just went crazy. 2 things of Jimmy Dean sausage and hot. 2 things of bacon. I already have a pack of hot dogs, but I just went ahead and grabbed an extra one. A thing of Dawn soap, always buying Dawn soap. Some Mr. Clean floor cleaner, some toilet bowl cleaner with bleach. This is just a great value brand. 18 count of eggs, some celery that Ronnie could care less about. And he hates celery unless it's in something. Then we got the pepperoni. This is the pepperoni 2-buy. It is so good. 2 things of the Imperial margarine because I'm almost out. 1 more package of cream cheese as a standby. Some more sour cream. Ronnie's cottage cheese. Some Tostito pizza rolls. 2 things of... well, these are the generic Grand biscuits. Thing of bananas. You know I always buy bananas. These are the dinner rolls that I love to make. And a thing of ground beef. I'm going to turn all of this into meatballs. I bought me some Peeps. Ronnie's not a fan, but I got me some Peeps. Got us some M&Ms to share. 2 loaves of bread. Since we're having company, I just went ahead and bought 2 loaves of white. And then I got the taco blend cheese and a bag of spinach for breakfast in the morning because I've been having eggs and spinach. And I thought I might make a quiche while he's here. That'll be really good. And that is all I purchased today. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this very short video today. But I am going to tell you the shrimp. Did I show the shrimp? I don't think I did. I think it hid. Anyways, I got a bag of shrimp already, but I'm going to make shrimp Alfredo one day when my company's here. The meatballs, of course. Breakfast that I'm going to be making is going to be some blueberry pancakes or waffles. We're going to have quiche, I believe. That's why we got the spinach and the cheese. Also, too, I've got 2 things of chicken legs. I'm going to be making mashed potatoes and fried chicken and broccoli. And is that all that I planned? Because it's only, what, for 3 days?
Yeah.
That's right. So 3 days. And then for dessert, I'm planning to make no-bake cookies and some banana pudding. So you think that'll be plenty of food?
I think I should do it.
Will that do us? All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be talking to you all again soon. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and we will catch you later. Bye, guys.